Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, August 2025, making it the second day of our SWEP. And yesterday we start our SWEP fully. This is when we are being introduced to some of the things we are going to be doing. I was in group D that are supposed to stay in to stay in FAB and department, food and agricultural biological engineering. So we were told about some little things. We do some introduction. We were told the difference between agricultural engineering and agricultural science. We were told that agricultural engineering is a branch of engineering that applied technology machine with scientific principles to improve agricultural production. It combines the knowledge of electrical, mechanical, and we talk about the main field of agricultural engineering, such as farm machinery and water and soil and water conservation, irrigation and drainage systems. Farm machinery is designed, use and maintaining farm equipment such as harvester, planter, tractor, while soil and water conservation is engineering practice to prevent soil from erosion, and while the water we maintain the water resources for the productivity to maintain the agricultural productivity. We talk about the irrigation and drainage system. Irrigation is designed to maintain the systems to be supplying water into the crops, while the drainage is to remove the excess of water in the crops. So it gives the plant to have the enough water at the right time. So we talk about agricultural science because they told us the difference between agricultural engineering and agricultural science. Agricultural science is the branch of science that focus on biological, natural, and living side of farming and food production. It covers the growth of crops, raise of animals more effective, sustainably, and productively. The agricultural, we talk about what we talk about this maybe concept of agriculture, or what agriculture, I don't know, maybe what agriculture typically include. Yeah, maybe what agriculture typically include, such as crop science, animals, crop science, animal science, agricultural economy, soil science, and environmental or sustainability aspect. The crop science, these are the plant breeding, soil fertility, pest and disease control. Animal science, these are the animal husbandry, nutrition, and and work, maybe, and yeah, animal husbandry, nutrition, breeding and livestock health. We talk about agricultural economy. These are the farm management. We talk about the market system. We talk about the soil science. These are the soil composition, fertility management, conservation. So environmental or sustainable aspect. These are the land use and ecosystem impact of farming. I will move on to discuss further about the different between the agricultural engineering and agricultural science. Before we talk about their co-focus, agricultural engineering focus on applying technologies, machineries, and engineering principles on to improve their applicant to improve agricultural production. While agricultural science studied the biological aspect of farming, such as plant, soil, animal health. We talk about the knowledge base. Agricultural engineering for combine the knowledge of electrical, mechanical, and civil engineering, while agricultural science combine the knowledge of biology and soil science and animal science. I will talk about what they deal with. Agricultural engineering it deal with machine, tools, system structure used in farming, such as irrigation system, processing equipment, and farm machinery. I will talk about why the agricultural science it deal with living organisms and natural processes, such as plant growth and animal and soil. We talk about what question the what the answer the main question the answers, like what they try to do. Agricultural engineering what agricultural engineering try to do is that how do we build or design tools and systems to farm efficiently, while the agricultural science what they try to do is that how do we grow crops and raise animal more effectively. So we talk about the crop storage. The crop storage is the activities involved in maintaining quality, safety, and nutritional value of the crops before use or stored. We talk about the concept of the crop storage, such as maintaining quality and maintaining quality, uh, uh, maintaining quality and nutritional value. We talk about such as food is going to be available throughout the year, and what reduce post harvest. So we talk about the importance of crop storage. The crop storage that it has food security, increase farmers' incomes, and it supports the export and import in trading. We even moved to talk about is it aquaculture? Yeah, aquaculture, and this is the what? This is the branch of agriculture that's involved uh, involve farming, involve rearing the aquatic organisms such as fish. So maybe under control or semi control. It involves what? What was it? It involves rearing, harvesting through water environment such as um, pond, tank. So for what? For food production or wildlife population or other commercial purposes. This is just the main introduction we did in food and agricultural biological engineering. We only talk about agricultural engineering. We have not moved to food engineering because this is just the first day in the laboratory. Today we are supposed to go to the laboratory today, but there's public holiday. But tomorrow, maybe we are going to talk about food engineering or do some practical aspects. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.